Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, I'm Sharon Jack Kenya. Welcome to my today's vlog. So guys, I'm going to be doing the basic home chores. It's a motivational cleaning, guys. So I've just started my day as you have seen in the intro. So guys, in case you're new here, please consider smashing the subscription button. It's not that I'm waking up right now as in sasa hivi saa hii, but niliamka 5 and I prepared my kids to school, wakaenda shule, and then walichukuliwa around 6:30, and then from there nimekuwa tu nikileza around watching some YouTube videos, and now I'm here catching up with you guys. How have you been for the past 1 week? I've not posted any video, guys, so I'm here today, and guys, let's make a video today. So guys, I hope you are fine from wherever you're watching me from. I believe God's mercy and favor is with you from wherever you are and in whatever you do. So guys, I'm feeling blessed today. I have really bad acne, guys. Really bad acne that have been hindering me from posting the video. As you can see on this picture here, this is my face currently. I'm not applying anything at all, but it's breaking out very badly. I'll zoom this video for you guys to see. So that's what have been making me not to do video, but no, not anymore, because guys, I'll be appearing as I am, as in as venye niko, because I can't say I won't do acne, because I won't do a video because of acne. So they are here, yes, and they are under treatment, they are under managed right now. At least zimepungua, zinaanzia somewhere here going downwards. Hapa hivi sina, so na hapa juu hivi kwa forehead niko na kidogo, and the other side the same, but all in all, we thank God. So guys, I'm going to freshen up and then I'll catch up with you guys. So first, I'm going to brush my teeth, and then yeah. Guys, I've just finished cleaning the utensils, and that place is all that clean. I've cleaned them off camera so that I can clean faster. I also already took my breakfast. I want to unhang the clothes that are on the clotheslines, and then I will fold them later. But now nataka ni akishe jiko so that I can make githeri. I want to cook some githeri. Githeri is a mixture of beans and maize. So these are the clothes that I'm unhanging, and then I will fold them later. And easy carpets, I'll remove them from here because guys, I had kept them there, and it started raining yesterday, so I'm going to remove them, and then we will fold the clothes together. Today we are spending the day together, so if you're watching this video, feel motivated to go and clean your home. Clean your home. It's a motivational, not deep cleaning, like you just feel bored, you just feel, I'm just feeling like I'm just here. It's only that I have to do the cleaning. You can't be at peace when the house is dirty and you are lazing around. So that's why I'm cleaning. Otherwise, I'll be lazing around like the whole day, because this week I've been running up and down in this house, doing house chores, cleaning, everything. So it's only that I have not carried you guys along through this all cleaning, because as I had told you guys that my face was really bad. So right now these pimples are drying up. They are drying up. As you can see, this side is better, and I don't know why this part, like this way, does not have pimples. Can you see, guys? Even the dark marks, but the other side of the face, that's me. So let's get to Let's get to work. Guys, so I've told you nataka kuwasha jiko nipike githeri. Here is our jiko. Na hapa nishaweka mafuta taa, so ni kiberiti tu. So nataka niwashe, niache kiaka niende nichague maharagwe. Don't know where to put you guys. I don't know where to put you, my guys. And then tutakuta ikiwa imewaka. So guys, here is our beans. Nachagua nikieka hapa. Where they have, nikieka hapa, they have really many stones. As in iko na michanga mingi. Kwanza hii hapa niligongwa tu safi guys. Yani I did not see wakipima. So hizi zote mchanga zilikuwa hapa na ujue nilibai nusu. Yani this is scam. It's okay. So chanipambane na kuichagua and then catch you guys nikiziosha. So guys, here is our beans. I've already cleaned them. I'm just going to add them here. Here is already maize. So I'm adding them here to boil together. Yeah. Let them boil together now. Jiko yetu iliwaka na hii ni sufuria yetu ya kupika githeri. Oya. Like that.